Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.